In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your inner fender liner and replace it with a new one. I don't actually have a new one, so I'm going to be putting this one back, but this will show you the procedure. I'm going to be removing the wheel. You don't have to, but it does make things a lot easier, so I recommend it, which is why I'm going to do it. To start, let's remove the wheel. If you have these wheels, they'll have the little center cap in the middle that you can pop off either with a trim tool or a screwdriver. Just be careful not to damage the surface of the wheel. And with that off, you can take your 21mm socket and remove all 5 of your lug nuts. Remove your wheel. At the front here, there are several push clips that we have to remove. One here, one here. There should be one there, but it's missing. So we'll just take these out that are still here. Along the side here in the front, you have more push clips. These, you actually have to push the center in. That's how you unlock it. And then once you unlock it, you can pull the whole thing out. There we go. That's not quite how it's supposed to come apart, but you're supposed to be able to remove it. And then to install them, you actually want to push the clip halfway out, and then you press it in to install. But we'll get to that later. For now, I'm just going to unlock these and pull them out. Should be a couple more at the back here, this being one of them. I have one that's missing here, but you should have one there. And then on the mud flap over here, there are some Phillips head screws that we have to remove. Not all of them, this one and maybe this one. All right, at this point there are several larger push clips that we have to take out. One here, one on each side of the strut tower, and then 2 up top. So let's just start here. We'll just start over here. If you're very gentle and the trim tool doesn't work, you can use cutters and pry this out like this. Oh, this one was really stuck in there, so we'll just have to find a new push clip for this. Since we're here, let's disconnect this ABS sensor, push that down, and as you push down, you should be able to pull this out. Up by the strut tower here, 2 more push clips. The last 2 are here and here. Now you can pull the fender liner out. There we go. There it is. Grab your new fender liner if you had one. And the first thing I want to do is tuck it up into the lip of the fender here, because that's how it originally sat, and that's actually going to help me because it'll stay in place as I continue installing it. Okay. All right. That lines up perfect. Let's put in all the push clips. Start with this one over here. This one over here at the front. And since I'm here, I might as well reconnect the ABS sensor. Push this clip down, press the sensor in all the way, give it a tug to make sure it's properly secured. Put in these 2 push clips here, and then the ones all the way at the top. At the front here, make sure that this shield goes over the fender liner, and then put in the push clips. That one was missing for me, so I'm just going to put in the ones that I have. Put in the one that secure it to the bumper. Over here, I'm going to start by putting the screws back in. This will hold the fender liner in place so I can put the push clips in. and then put back any push clips that you removed from over here. Now let's put the wheel back on. Reinstall the wheel. Put on all 5 of your lug nuts, and then we'll torque them to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. .110 foot-pounds. Okay, double check them if you want. If not, go ahead and put the cap back on if you have one of these. Line it up. And there you have it. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.